Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to display any type of posts in beautiful accordions and boost engagement on your website. With the Easy Accordion plugin, you can easily showcase posts, pages, and even custom post types in a clean, interactive accordion layout. So let's get started. First, go to any page on your website where you want to add the accordion. Click on the Add Block button and insert the Post Accordion block. Now, choose a template that fits your design. Instantly, you'll see an accordion created using your existing posts. Next, head over to the right side settings panel. From here, you can fully customize your accordion. Start by clicking on Accordion Templates to switch between different styles if you want. Along with these two templates, the Post Accordion Block 2 offers even more options to explore. It transforms your post listings into an interactive experience, allowing users to reveal images, excerpts, and metadata on demand. For this tutorial, I'll be using the Post Accordion Block 1. Next, choose the post orientation, either horizontal or vertical, based on the layout that fits your design best. Then, adjust the metadata display position. You can show it above the excerpt or below the title, whichever looks better for your content. You can fine-tune the design by adjusting the accordion item gap and setting a maximum width for the entire accordion. If you have a lot of posts, enable AJAX Pagination. This will break down long lists of accordion items and load them seamlessly. Now, let's move to the Query Builder, which is the most powerful part. Here, select the post type you want to display. This includes all your posts, pages, and any custom post types available on your website. Once selected, your accordion will update instantly. Next, choose how you want to filter your posts. You have options like latest, taxonomy, or specific selection. If you choose latest, you can control how posts are ordered by date, ID, title, and more. You can also set the order direction to ascending or descending. If you select taxonomy, you'll get filtering options like categories, tags, and formats. For example, if you choose categories, simply pick the terms from the drop-down. Then select an operator such as in, and, or not in to define how the filtering should work. To improve user experience, you can enable the taxonomy filter. This allows visitors to filter posts directly from the front end. You can customize its appearance and behavior from the taxonomy filter settings. Next, control how your content looks. Adjust the post title length and enable the option to link the title so users can open the full post on a single page. From the post meta settings, you can choose to display or hide the author name, categories, and publish date. You can also enable or disable the featured image and select a predefined size or set a custom size to match your design. For the content, choose the excerpt type, either full or limited, and define a maximum height if needed. To make your accordion more interactive, select a custom animation effect for the content. You can also enable the close button, which adds a dedicated button inside each expanded accordion item for easy collapsing. Once everything looks good, click Publish. Now, preview your page on the front end. You'll see your accordion displaying exactly the way you customized it: clean, interactive, and user-friendly. And that's it! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips.